Time for cars and coffee, which is exactly where we're headed right now. So let's go. It's a little wet today for cars and coffee, but still a pretty good turnout. Yeah. Yeah, there's our Jaguar, Sally. Check out this Testarossa. Right here. This is a black Ferrari Testarossa.
Tesla?
No, Testarossa, not Tesla Rossa. Yeah. Using the TV series Miami Vice. In fact, in the premiere episode when they showed this car, it was black. But what happened was it didn't show up on the camera, the black color. So after the first episode, they switched the car to white. Might be Ferrari day today. Hey, say look, it's the Roadrunner and the Wild Coyote. 340 4 barrel, referring to the carburetor.
Punch buggy.
Oh, yeah, there's actually, I see a whole bunch of punch buggies there, so ouch, I gotta punch you because I saw that one over there.
There's no punch buggy.
That's a punch buggy.
Those are punch
That is
buggies on wheels.
That is a punch buggy.
No, it's not.
It happens to be an off-road punch buggy.
And then I'm gonna
Ow, stop punching. Not a bad turnout for rain. It's kind of rainy, but that's a beautiful sight. Bentley to the left, McLaren to the right. And two Rolls-Royce. Oh, this is the green color. I like that. Green.
Georgia.
Next to a white Rolls-Royce. Yeah. There's the organizer, Cars and Coffee, getting a little look at the Rolls-Royce.
All of a sudden, my Camaro is feeling a little bit tractorish.
So this is a Rolls-Royce black badge. So you can tell. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. It just disappeared. I wasn't trying to steal it. It just disappeared on me.
It's not my car. But you gotta see the interior. Real quick. Give the car back.
Am I filming?
Yeah. Just real quick.
So we're gonna check out the Starlight interior, right?
Yes. You gotta look at the interior, and then you gotta look at the top.
The top. All right. So check out this interior.
And then go to the top.
And then check out the roof line there. Check out all of that. There's the Starline interior. The Starry Night. You can make like different constellations depending on your mood, I guess, right? Is that cool? You can make the Milky Way if you want.
I'm sure they could probably.
Yeah, if you want the Milky Way or Orion's belt or any other constellation.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the Rolls-Royce Black Badge.
That's the front. That's kind of cool.
And another cool feature of Rolls-Royce is this Rolls-Royce logo will always stay vertical. When the car's moving, that Rolls-Royce stays the same, so you can tell it's a Rolls-Royce. If you try to steal it, Sally, it will disappear on you. I hope the water's not getting on my lens here. Like it's a little drizzling today, so.
Yeah, it should be all right. It's not really enough to really affect it.
So, you are Cars and Coffee's official photographer.
Yes.
And your name is?
Robert Landry.
Robert, nice to meet you. Thank you very much for taking these photos.
All right.
Daddy, look at all the off-road.
Whoa, it's off-road day right here. Check it out. It's the Jeep Club is here in full force, so we got all the Rubicons, pretty much everything. And oh, nice, beautiful twin dogs there too. One not enough, you gotta have two. Yeah, but anyway, look at this, Jeeps. And it's not just this row, Sally, it's the next row over as well. It goes all the way down. They took out one section of this whole parking lot. And you can tell, Jeep people don't care about rain. The top's down, whatever. Yeah. the Jeep people took up 3 rows.
Oh my goodness.
It's Jeep Day. It's definitely Jeep Day today at Cars and Coffee.
Today is National Day of Jeep.
That Super Duty is an understatement, I tell you.
Daddy, this is actually taller.
Look at it. I mean, I could fit the entire camera in here.
It's taller than me.
Look how big it is. Tally can't even reach the hood. That is so tall. We have a Cobra, we have a Chat M7, and my favorite supercar, the McLaren 720 with a beautiful orange next to this beautiful hot rod too. Wow. Let's have a close look at this McLaren here.
It looks like it has no eyes. Light. I call them eyes.
It's laser eye. This is the McLaren 720S. And this color it's not McLaren orange, it's a new color from McLaren. I like the little British flag they stuck onto it. But it has 710 horsepower, but at the wheel.
Goodness, the Jeeps are so
It's extremely fast. I like it. My favorite auto supercar. Basically, Ferrari tried to make the 488 to compete against this thing, and the truth of the matter is it cannot compete against this because Ferrari, this will make the Ferrari look like mincemeat. If you recently Drag Time posted a video of a Ferrari 488 versus 720 McLaren. This McLaren let the Ferrari go first. It spun out. It still caught it and beat it to the quarter mile at the end of the quarter mile. Also a good selection of muscle cars today. See, this is the sign of a true car enthusiast. It's a little drizzling right now, but the top is still down, whatever. You know why? Because it's vinyl, you know, it's vinyl. So unlike leather, vinyl doesn't care about getting wet. Sally, why do you figure this Porsche Gt3? Ugly?
Oh yeah.
It's not too bad.
ugly.
Is that, no, it's not too bad. It's not that
If you
ugly.
change the lights, it wouldn't be ugly.
Yeah.
But it looks like it has a mustache.
Looks like it has a mustache. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. Check it out. Check it out. It's quite nice. See? Look at the interior here. Manual transmission, proper. Speaking of manual transmission, check out the interior of this Corvette. Classic Hurst shifter right there. And it actually has seat belts, I can't believe it. Lots of chrome on the engine. On the right is the Pantera, and on the left is a Ford GT. They look kind of similar. One is, well, this is a O, and the Pantera is older than that. We have another Pantera, another beautiful McLaren 720. And over here on Supercar Row, that's been completely taken over by the Jeep Rubicon Club. So all we have is the Cromel from the organizer of Cars and Coffee, the Bracketeer. We have another Cromel, and then it's all Jeep. Jeeps everywhere. Yeah. The Jeep has taken over, completely taken over. Wow, it's a Jeep takeover, Sally. It is definitely a Jeep takeover. Wow. It's like a big version of Widget. Oh, here you go, here you go. Oh wow, Sally, I haven't seen an audio company display their wares in a long time, so aftermarket, I thought aftermarket car audio was dead. But Sally, stick your head in there and feel the bass.
I feel it already.
No, stick your head in there and feel more bass. Nice sound. Here's Viper. Ferrari 360.
It's a blue version of Maver's.
A blue version of Mathers. Okay, this wheelbarrow is the coolest thing I've seen today. It's a Jeep, and next to this other wheelie. Oh my God! Check, this is the Army Jeep, but this one here, this is cool. It's got a smokestack, and look at that interior, huh? Check it out. It's got a beer shifter. Wow, and it's got one of those like big knobs on the steering wheel to help turn it, because it's like, you know, like maybe like does 10 turns lock to lock. That is cool. All right, let's go get a pretzel. Cars are leaving now. They're all kind of leaving kind of early because it is wet and it's starting to rain, and I see some condensation on my lens. So we're gonna get some pretzel and then get out of here.